Like, what is the secret there? What can people do right now who are business owners to start to make that shift?
Yes. So a huge thing is first looking at your market and your messaging. What is your niche? Who are you serving? So my challenge was when I was making my 10K months at 80-hour work weeks, I just started my business, so I had very low pricing. I also had no boundaries. I was accepting everyone because it was money. And so that's one piece of looking at it. Where are you in your business? What are your boundaries? How are you pricing yourself? How can you elevate your services? So my big thing with clients is know your ideal client, like get so fine-tuned and so specific on your ideal client that you then craft your service to be the best solution for them. Because then you can raise your prices because you know you're addressing all of their needs. So it's not just like, hey, I want to raise my prices, I'm just going to start charging more. Work backwards. Going into your niche, your ideal clients, and everyone knows niching, and they're like, well, I've done it before. But it's one of those things that's easy to resist. It's easy to just go surface level. Okay, my niche is this, and then not go beyond that. And it takes a lot of work to keep diving deeper and deeper and to get into the messaging that resonates, get into truly understanding them. But from there, when you know your client so well that you can serve them that way, you're crafting your solution to go deeper, to address all of their needs and be the best solution. So that's one way. You're able to raise your prices. You're serving a very specific market. Another thing that people fear is, oh, well, if I have a niche, I'm very limited. It's not true. You can serve other people. You still attract other clients, but your messaging is pinpointed on those specific clients. So every